doing? It's Mark. Check it out. Behind me is a cool truck. A lot of you are going to doubt this. A lot of you are going to have different opinions about it. But this, my friends, is a 2016 Ford F-150 XLT Sport EcoBoost. 2.7 liter. That's right. You heard it right. 2.7 liter EcoBoost Ford F-150. We're going to do a short video clip, see how it accelerates and drives. Check it out. So, driving in the truck, awesome handling, very agile. The feeling you get, it's not so much in a truck, it feels more or less you're in a very comfortable, how should I say it? Sporty truck. It feels like a sporty truck, and that's what it is. It's just exactly that. You're not in a big lifted mud truck. You're not in something that's rolling coal. It drives phenomenal. It steers straight. It's super easy to drive, user friendly. So on with the rest of the video. Sun's blinding me. Let's check the rest of the truck out. Oh, by the way, I'll see the angle of this no offset. Here we go. Full turn left. Ready, guys? Full turn right. Oh yeah, look at that. No rubbing whatsoever. Just how you like it. So as I was showing you guys, awesome, cool little truck. Not little, I shouldn't say little. It's the same size as a regular F-150, just a different motor. Let's examine it, let's check it out. So off the rip, you can see the color is absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen this color until a couple of years ago, and a few manufacturers started making it. I think Kia was one of them. I think Dodge was one of them. The Charger, they have this color. It's like a slate gray, like a charcoal gray. I call it concrete gray. If you guys drop it in the comments what the exact color this truck is. I had the, I forget it. I had the paint code and I called the dealership for the actual color. And I just can't remember it right now. I forgot what they told me, but drop it in the comments. Let me know what it is. And off with the crazy camera angles and stuff like that. Let's check it out with what the truck's all about. So the first thing you can see, it's got the Ford Raptor grill, aftermarket grill right here. Awesome feature, guys. If you're gonna put this on your truck, this is the grill to get. I'm not paid for this advertising, by the way. I'm gonna put that out there. So this grill was on the truck when I bought it. Big, huge Ford logo, or Ford emblem, F-O-R-D spelt out. It's got the 3 LED lights right there, incorporated into the grill. Awesome feature for that addition to this truck. The second thing you're going to notice is right across the board. Yep, it's leveled. It's got a leveling kit on it to accommodate these XD wheels. What are we running? We are running it's like, I like it because it almost matches the truck. Same color wheel, same color truck. Really, really cool feature. These are a 275 55 20 BFGoodrich All Terrain T tire. Really nice tire. They're probably, the nipples are still on them. They're probably brand flipping new. They feel amazing driving on the road. There's barely any road noise. They handle phenomenal. The wheels, they're an XD wheel, and they're 20 by, God, I want to say 20 by 8 or 20 by something. There's no offset whatsoever. What I mean by that is where the hub is located, the negative offset, it's called offset. So from the hub sticking out, usually trucks you see with a lip, that's offset. This has nothing. So you can see it's straight on level with the wheel. And it actually matches up almost damn near perfect with the truck. Passes inspection with that said, because tires that stick out in some instances, in some places, you don't do that. So they won't pass. But anyways, on with the truck. Full turn right, full turn left. These are the step rails right here. It's got a Lund bed cover, spray and bed liner, I believe. It's got the dual Gipson exhaust. You push these steps right here, boom, they come right out. Hydraulic driven. You can step up on them. They're very, very, very rugged. When you're done with them, you just push them back in like that, or with your hand, whatever you want to do. It's got a dual Gipson exhaust, as I was stating. There it is right there. Dual Gipson exhaust system. No sunroof, rear sliding window. There's just so many features on this truck that I can go on for days. Rear camera, roll up bed cover, Lund bed cover. Same thing on this side right here. You got your door unlock thing. I'm not going to show you guys the code, so let's take a peek over here. Take a look at these nice wheels, by the way, so I can unlock the door. Another cool feature. Oh yeah, check this out. Ready? Turn signals are incorporated into the mirror that are awesome. It's like a snail trail kind of thing, jazzy, whatever. Yeah, it's cool when you turn it on. Another cool feature. Nighttime. I can't show you this right now. All light mirrors. These light up the road right here. So when you want your spotlight mirrors on and on individually, or when you turn all the main light on, it'll come on. Pedal adjustment, electric e-brake. This also turns on both side mirrors of the light, and I'll show you right here. Check it out. Heated mirrors. It's got a huge spot. I mean, it doesn't look bright, but man, they are bright at nighttime. They really are. There's the VIN number for anybody wondering. Rough country seat covers, absolutely awesome seat covers, rugged seat covers. Back on this side of the vehicle, the F-150 is a super showcased, incorporated little plastic logo under there. As soon as you get in, the first thing you see is, boom, F-150, and you know you're in an F-150. The doors are super easy to get in and out of. Awesome, really user-friendly. Got a kind of aluminum carbon fiber here with chrome bezel trim. Window locks, power mirrors on and off. Folding, not folding, electric windows, no sunroof, all-weather floor mats right there. These are Motor Trend all-weather floor mats right here. Same with the back. Excuse the cameraman back there. Cloth interior, and it's LED everything. You got switches right here you can turn on. It's four-wheel drive. Heated seats, actually heated cloth seats. Awesome. Cup holders. It's got the sync radio, so it syncs to your phone. You open this little compartment. There's more plugs right there for your USBs. You open it, you push it, and it retracts back down with that cool aluminum carbon fiber. Open the glove box. You got a spare light for your Raptor grill right there. You got the factory owner's manual. You got a little shelf right here to set whatever you guys keep right there, your crack pipes or your shoes or your keys or your guns or knives, whatever you want to put there, you can put there. That's up to you. That's your business. It's none of my business. Right here, the truck, it's got the switchblade key right here. So you hit it, open it up, switchblade key, 146,000 miles on this F-150. I bet you guys were never going to guess that. The paint is, I'm not joking, the paint is probably a 9 out of a 10. The paint is phenomenal. Barely any scratches or dents, if any. Yeah, 146,000 maintained miles. This truck has been wonderfully maintained. So everything on the controls right here. The only thing this truck's missing literally is leather. I mean, every option you can imagine. Really cool feature. These are your traction control or your tow sport mode right there. It's like the pedal commander thing they can roll with now. So when you hit the pedal, your throttle position, you plug it into like your throttle position sensor, and it massive acceleration. Same concept right here, guys. Electric power seats right there. Let's check under the hood, and then we'll be done with this video. Close the door, wash your hands. Open the hood, wash your hands. If I can get it open, 1, 2, 3. There's your 2.7 liter EcoBoost, a little nice green leaf right there, guys. Don't pay attention to that leaf because it gets up and goes. EcoBoost does no justice. Nice batteries, cool wash tank right there. Fluid's all good to go. Air filter's all good. It's super clean in here. There's the underside of the hood. And yeah, it's just a really well taken care of truck. And hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out with the 2016 Ford F-150 XLT Sport 4x4 2.7 liter EcoBoost. Over and out. See ya.